Don't see ya.
Glock bullet? Yo, got him right in the eye.
Okay, go closer. Get a nice picture.
Glock bullet, right?
Yeah, the Glock.
Yeah.
Showing his
What are you telling him? Hold his balls?
Yo, hold your balls.
Make sure there's a go in the pond. Ready? Are you ready? Is the question.
Yo, get a bigger stance.
One. Good luck, Will. Salam alaikum, yo.
Oh! Oh!
Shoot, damn it! The fuck you waiting for?
Pumping up the courage.
You gotta pump
What are you
it.
looking at?
Better hold it good, man. Hold it tight.
Is the safety on?
Hold it tight.
Fucking guy. And you want to ride a 1,000, bitch? You want to ride a 1,000? You can't even handle a 450. Oh, you ain't scaring me, bitch.